Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to change language in this car. Alright, so as you can see, here is the home screen of your Dongfeng. Here you can open the car settings by using this blue icon right here, and from the left tab you can select sound and display. So here you can switch between 3 tabs. Let's use the third one, which is display. As you can see under display, you've got language settings. Right now I'm using English, but if you tap language here, you've got the list of available settings and available languages. As you can see, there is a few of them, but not all of them. For example, there isn't Polish language, which will be useful for me, but I can switch between English, for example, to Spanish. So let me choose Español. The car is switching languages. As you can see right now, the whole list of settings is in Spanish. If you would like to go back to the previous one, let's choose here visualization, choose pantalla, select Idioma and select English. The car is switching language to English, and right now you can go back to English version of your Dongfeng. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.